All right, so how to build timing and rhythm with your boxing combinations. So in that clip, we saw an example of how to split a combination. In part 1 of how to develop timing and rhythm, I went into detail on that, so make sure you check that video out as well. But today we're just going to use that single combination. I'm going to break it down and show you how it's great for developing timing and rhythm. So the combination to start, we're going to start off with a jab to the head, then we're going to come in with a jab to the body. That's part 1, and then we're going to split it, and then part 2 is the explosive, powerful side, right? So the jab to the head and the jab to the body is designed to set that up. A little split or a pause, and then into explosive power for the second part of the combination. So part 1, jab to the head, jab to the body. And then we're splitting it, slight pause so she can get back out of range off the jab to the body. And then that's set up the next phase of attack, the second phase of attack, which is going to be a jab, and then stepping in with the hook cross. Right? So a lot of power on those last 2 punches, especially with that step as well, because all that momentum's coming forward into the target. This is why it's great for developing timing and rhythm. If we just listen to the rhythm of the whole combination for a second, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. That's the timing and the rhythm that we're trying to develop. If we had it all as one combination, it would just be boom, 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 right? Where we stitch it all together. But for the purposes of developing that timing and rhythm that we're talking about, we're splitting it into a 2-phase attack. So phase 1, jab head, jab body, little pause, jab, step in with the power shots, hook cross. One more time. Good. All right, nice full speed and power now. So as if we were mimicking a fight scenario. Boom, boom, good. And see how she steps in with that hook cross. That's getting that power and leverage into the 2 power punches. One more time. Good. Rest. All right, guys, so just a quick one today. Just giving you that pretty basic combination, jab head, jab body, jab hook cross, but just how you can use those 5 punches and split into a 2-phase attack. Great drill right there, great combination for just teaching your boxers or your clients, whoever you're working with, to develop that timing and rhythm and setting up, phase attacks. So phase 1 and phase 2. All right, leave the comments below on this combination. Try it out, let me know what you think. Check this video out right here. This is gonna be timing and rhythm part 1, and we go into a little bit more detail on how to actually build those splits and split up your combinations to develop those phase attacks that we've just done with this combo right here. Thanks for watching.